myself Gazia from News Moment. Welcoming to you News Moment English. Play smart, play epic with PSJ TVS Asansol. For more details, please call 8695607709 and our toll-free number 180012339999. Let's have some updates on Kisan Morcha. Welcoming PM Narendra Modi's announcement to repeal the 3 farm laws on the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev, the Samyukt Kisan Morcha called it a partial victory of the historic movement. The leaders dedicated the historic victory to over 700 farmers who died during the year-long movement and to the people, press, social organizations and every section of the society who backed the farmers' struggle in any manner. Welcoming the move, Harinder Singh Lakhowal, General Secretary, BKU, said the PM made the announcement on the auspicious occasion of Guru Parab, which makes us happy. But out other major demand about the legal guarantee on the MSP is still pending and we need to discuss it too. The Morcha will continue till the government starts the procedure. Also, the next course of action will be decided in the SKM meeting, which will be convened soon. He added, Younger Yadav, convener Jai Kisan Andolan, said it was a historic but partial victory for the farmers. The MSP issue still has not been discussed so far. For a majority of the farmers in the country, the MSP matters the most. Punjab Kisan Sabha General Secretary March Singh Pannawal, however, said it was a one-sided announcement. Farmers are happy with the decision, but the government should have announced the legal guarantee on the MSP too. He added, Kalwant Singh Sandhu, General Secretary, Jamhuri Kisan Sabha, said the announcement on the occasion of Guru Parab was a good initiative, but we would stay put on the Delhi borders till the parliament session ends. More people will be gathered on the Delhi borders on November 26 to mark 1 year of the historical movement. We will also talk about the other important demands. Besides, the SKM will take note of all developments and hold its meeting soon to announcement further decision. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. Details are provided in the picture. For more details, please contact the given number 9932864067 or 8116183079. Report by Wasim Khan from Asansol. Asansol Pur Nigam in the case of collection of property tax. Asansol Pur Nigam's tax and license department employees are involved in that cycle. Pur Nigam authorities suspect this cycle is active in the Jamhuriya office of Asansol Pur Nigam. According to the initial estimate of the Pur Nigam authorities, so far 3 such incidents have come to light or the city authorities have come to know about it. A police officer in charge of the Jamhuriya office lodged 2 FIRs with the Jamhuriya police station 3 days ago. Based on this, the police have started investigation. At the same time, the city officials suspect that some employees of the Jamhuriya office may be involved in this. On the basis of this, the 2 employees of the license and tax department of the Jamhuriya office were transferred to Kulti and Raniganj on Thursday. Pur Nigam sources said that a more detailed departmental investigation is being carried out against them. But how was this cycle caught? It is learned that a resident of Nigha area of Jamhuriyapur area of Asansol Pur Nigam has been in areas of property tax for several years. A few months ago, he was asked to pay the full tax. He then informed Pur Nigam that he had paid the areas for 3 years. For that, he also showed the receipt of paying the tax of the old corporation. It shows that from 2016 to 2021, he has paid about 11,000 rupees in taxes. Investigation revealed that the money was not deposited in the treasury of Pur Nigam. It is also seen that the receipt is old or cancelled. Pur Nigam authorities can know about two more such incidents. The same procedure has been used in both cases. Pur Nigam authorities then sat motionless. As a result, unused receipts are cancelled after the end of a financial year. They are cut off so that no one can use them. Usually these receipts are with the tax collector. City officials checked that there were no two such old or discarded receipt books. At that time, all the details were informed by making a written complaint to Jamuria police station. It is learned that there is a tax collector among the two workers who have been transferred. This has resulted in loss of revenue of Pur Nigam. Amarnath Chattopadhyay, city administrator of Asansol Pur Nigam, said, "I was not in charge of the city administrator at the time of this incident. Now it has been announced and investigation has been launched. A complaint has been lodged with the police station. Two workers have been transferred with a little more investigation. The whole thing will come to the fore. Then legal action will be taken against those involved." A report by Surjit Sen Gupta from Banpur. The necessary material was provided by the social organization ACRT to help the senior citizens living in the provincial old age home located in the Keshwari. Here ACRT distributed food items, medicines and items of daily use. During this, the chairman of the organization, Rahul Kharkia, Akash Bansal, Dr. Sumit Sanghai, Mukesh Lal, Nitin Khemani, Ashish Kamani, Vikas Parekh, Manish Baglia, etc. were present. The event was organized under RTI week. It is worth mentioning that various social workers are done regularly by ACRT. Physiotherapy clinic for male and female at Sripalli GK Roy Sarani, Rupam Building, Asansol, near Upendranath High School. 8th Boy Mela started at Polo Ground, Asansol, which will end on next 26 November. State Law Minister Mulay Ghatak, Library Minister Sadikul Chaudhary, ADM Abhijit Shivale, Zila Parishad Councillor Shubhadra Bawri, Corporation Chairman Amarnath Chatterjee, KNU Vice Chancellor Sadhan Chakravarti, Jamuria MLA Hiraram Singh, besides Bureau Chairman and former Councillor were present in the inaugural ceremony. The guest inaugurated the Boy Mela by lighting the lamps. Where I am insisted that it has happened many times in Bardhaman, now there should be a Boy Mela in Asansol. That's when the Boy Fair started in Asansol from 7th April 2007. This is a government board fair. For this there is a lot of enthusiasm among the people here. This time 65 stalls have been set up. Next time 15 will be increased. People came and roam here and publishers are also happy. He said that everything has become digital. People read everything on mobile, but those who read books are intoxicated. They read books all their lives. Look for unique books, roam different stalls. A book is a must for those who want to acquire knowledge. The more books we read, the more knowledge we will acquire. Then only we will develop a decent society. He urged everyone to come to this Boy Mela and buy a book, roam around and be happy. Library Minister Sadikul Chaudhary said that a book is the life of a human being, just as a fish cannot live without water. In the same way, a human's life is nothing without a book. He said that earlier the publishers had to pay the fee for setting up the stalls in the Boy Mela. Now it has been made free. He said that Vidyasagar ji cannot be born again, but can again knowledge by following his guidance. Young men and women are requested to come to Boy Mela after taking money from their parents and must buy a book. The more you read the book, the more your knowledge will increase. We must many times to bring administrators here, respect them and know their problem solving which publishers were brought here. He said that free coaching would be arranged in the library here, where studies would be facilitated in preparing for various jobs. Want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. Coaching classes for medical NEET AIMS entrance exams by D.K. Lal Sir. Biology classes, zoology and botany. Regular classes for 11 and 12 BSc. And for more information, please contact 98328 24975. Midnight. Shots were fired at the Chittaranjan railway workers' residence. In Chittaranjan, a dog screaming in front of the residence of a railway worker was shot dead. A shadow of panic spread across the city of Chittaranjan. At around 12:30 p.m., two miscreants come on a bike and fired 2 rounds. This morning, the police of Chittaranjan police station went and recovered the body of the dog from a forest in front of the residence, and after examining the autopsy of the dog, recovered a bullet from his body. The police of Chittaranjan police station has started investigation into the incident. Regarding the incident, Sangeeta Bhagat, an employee of Chittaranjan railway factory, said that someone from outside started calling her by name around 12:30 p.m. last night. The two miscreants are trying to calm him down by bursting, but when he goes to see the window by himself, the two miscreants aim at him and shoot him. There was no problem with him, but he is worried about how this happened to him.
क्या घटना हुई थी?
12:30 बजे मैं सोई हुई थी। तो मैं यहीं पे सोती हूँ, तो 12:30 बजे के लगभग मुझे कुछ आवाज़ आया। धीरे से मैं ध्यान से सुनी कि आप बुला रहा था। फिर मेरे शरीर में तो इस रूम पर खिड़की के नीचे से फाँक से देखी तो एक बाइक पे था। मतलब एक बाइक लगा होता है यहाँ पे, 2 आदमी एक बाइक पे जो बैठा था वो नहीं दिखा, बगल में वहाँ पे खड़ा था वो दिखा। मेरा नाम लेके मुझे बुला रहा था, खुलो खुलो। बहुत तेज़ लाउड नहीं चिल्ला रहा था, लेकिन चिल्ला रहा था। इतने में क्या हुआ, वहाँ पे कुत्ता भौंक रहा था, उस पर फायर किया। उस समय मुझे नहीं लगा कि वो फायर कर रहा है, मुझे लगा कि पटाखा नहीं फोड़ते, क्योंकि बम वगैरह का भी आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा रेयर रहता है। मुझे लगा कि पटाखा फोड़ के उसको भगा रहा है। फिर संगीता खोल संगीता खोल गाली वाली दे रहा था। फिर मैं उधर से इधर आई, खिड़की हल्का सा खोल के बस ऐसे करके देखी कि मैं उस जगह से खड़ा होकर एक गन मतलब टारगेट में लिया था, चला दिया। वो हल्का सा खिड़की ये कि मैं देखी कि हाथ चला रहा है बस। उसके बाद वो बंदूक गोली लगा और मैं खिड़की उस पर मैं पूरा काँप गया, पूरा वाइब्रेट हो गया। और थोड़ा सा अब लकड़ी का टुकड़ा से कि किससे मेरे यहाँ पे हाँ तुरंत पुलिस में दौड़ी।
लिखित शिकायत कुछ आप लोगों ने किया?
हाँ फिर लिखित यही सब। अभी फिर बोले कि FIR के लिए मुझे थाना जाना।
अच्छा, आप खिड़की से देखे तो क्या वो लोग पहचान के लगे आपको?
नहीं, पहचान का नहीं लगा, ना आवाज़ में पकड़ पाए ना उसको पकड़ पाए।
किसी के ऊपर शक ऐसा?
शक किसी के ऊपर नहीं है मेरा दिमाग, क्योंकि मेरा किसी से लड़ाई झगड़ा कुछ नहीं है।
आप यहाँ पे कौन कौन रहते हैं घर में?
मैं छोटा बेटा और मेरी माँ।
क्या लग रहा है कि किसको टारगेट करके वो लोग आए थे?
वो मेरा नाम ले रहा था, मुझे ही टारगेट कर रहा था।
आपका नाम?
लेटेस्ट ज्वेलरी डिजाइन्स के लिए अभिनव गिनी हाउस में जरूर आएं। रिपोर्ट बाय विकास प्रसाद फ्रॉम पुरुलिया। Joint BDO of Kashipur block Dhanjay Kumar inspected various areas of Shimla, Dhanada Gram Panchayat of Kashipur, block of Purulia district on Friday. Basically, the important program of this day included inspection of the works of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Action Projects. On this day, member of Panchayat and Zila Parishad including Deputy Chief of Shimla, Dhanada Giram Panchayat, Meghnad Roy were present. On this day, social worker Jiten Goswami said that today is the meeting room of Shimla Gram Panchayat. Kashipur Joint Community Development Officer visited the Gram Panchayat areas and inspected the works of Gram Panchayat. On the other hand, Deputy Chief of Gram Panchayat Meghnad Rai said that today various issues were discussed in the presence of all the members of joint BDO, Panchayat and Zila Parishad.
আজকে আপনার গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতে জয়েন্ট বিডিও সাহেব এসেছিলেন খতিয়ে দেখতে কর্মসূচি নিয়ে, এটা নিয়ে কি বলবেন?
আজ আমাদের কাশীপুর ব্লক থেকে জয়েন্ট স্যার এসেছিলেন, তো তাতে সরজমিন খতিয়ে দেখার জন্য এসেছিলেন। তার মধ্যে এক জামালপুরের সংসদ তিনি ওখানে গিয়েছিলেন, যেখানে একটা হাঁপা খনন কাজ চলছে, সাধারণ মানুষ কাজ করছে। 2 নম্বর আপনার গ্রাম ধানাড়া সংসদে কাজ চলছে, সেখানেও উনি গিয়েছিলেন। এবার ওখান থেকে উনি ভিজিট করার পর সোজা পঞ্চায়েতে আসেন। সেখানে সব মেম্বারকে আগে থেকেই ডাকা হয়েছিল এবং সুপারভাইজারকেও ডাকা হয়েছিল। সেখানে তিনি
Under the aegis of Purulia District Administration for the continuous implementation of the mission Nirmal Bangla scheme in the district on Friday at 11 am, Hilltop Ground on the hill of Ayodhya, a special program was organized in. According to the information on Friday, under a simple program, it was said to cooperate in every way to promote tourists on Purulia Ayodhya mountain. On this occasion, District Magistrate Sujay Banerjee said that along with the construction of toilets by the state government, it has been decided to build a road to connect various villages of Ayodhya Pahad area with each other so that the tourists coming here can get conveyance. On the other hand, there was talk of increasing roadside employment in the area for the tribals so that the tourists coming here can get conveyance. On the other hand, the district magistrate said that it is very important to keep Ayodhya mountain green and clean. The corporation of the forest department will also be taken in this work. Mr. Banerjee sought information about the inconveniences faced by the tribals of Ayodhya Hills region so that it can be completed soon. Said that many people in other areas including tribal are getting facilities from the government. State's Western Development Minister Sandhya Rani to do. District Magistrate Rahul Mazumdar, District Councillor and other dignitaries were present on this occasion.
মহাশয় আছেন, আমাদের এসপি মহাশয় আছেন, বিভিন্ন আধিকারিকরা আছেন এবং আমার জেলা পরিষদের অনেক কর্মাধ্যক্ষ এবং জেলা পরিষদের সদস্য সহ এই বাঘমুন্ডি পঞ্চায়েত সমিতির সমস্ত ব্যক্তিবর্গ, সভাপতি এবং অযোধ্যার পঞ্চায়েতের প্রধান সহ প্রচুর আমাদের মায়েরা এবং মেয়েরা এখানে উপস্থিত হয়েছেন। সেই দেখে এবং সেই সুন্দর পরিবেশটি দেখে আমার খুব ভালো লাগছে। আমি মাঝে মাঝে অযোধ্যা আসি, আমার মনে হয় প্রায় মাসে 2 বার করে আসি, বিভিন্ন জায়গায় দেখাশোনা করি যাই। কখনো কখনো শুনতে পাই যে অযোধ্যায় আমরা কি জানি, অযোধ্যা মানে অযোধ্যা আমাদের একটা পরিষ্কারভাবে আমাদের কাছে অভিজ্ঞতা যে অযোধ্যায় হচ্ছে আদিবাসীদের এলাকা। এখানে আদিবাসীরা বাস করেন, জঙ্গলময় একটা বিশাল ভালো জায়গা। সেই জায়গাকে আস্তে আস্তে করে সুন্দর করে তার উন্নয়নটা শুরু করে পর্যটন কেন্দ্র করে তুলেছেন আমাদের
Biofina. Drink healthy and stay healthy. And for trade inquiry, please contact our toll-free number 1800-258-7060. CPM leader died. He died at a private hospital in Durgapur on Friday morning. His body was brought to the CPM's West Bardhaman district office in Askar's Upkar Garden this evening. Others, including the district leadership of the CPM, paid their last respect to him by placing flowers on his body. It is learned that Kanti Chakravarti was 84 years old at the time of her death. He was admitted to that private hospital in Durgapur for treatment after suffering a heart attack at home. Indian Railway. There is a good news for the passengers travelling in Indian Railway. Actually, now the railway passengers can again be served cooked food during the journey. Yes, the railway board has now ordered the resumption of pantry cars in Mail Express trains during the journey. In views of the need of rail passengers, now the cooking facility can be started in the train. Pantry car was closed due to COVID-19 restrictions. In today's important meeting in Asansol Girls College, Dr. Beru Rajak, the newly appointed West Burdwan District President of Trinamool Congress Affiliated Teacher Organization WBCUPA, was facilitated by the teacher community on his becoming the district president. Simultaneously, the Asansol Girls College unit got a new president in the form of a Dr. Vijendra. Together, the entire unit was expanded under the leadership of Dr. Beru Rajak and Dr. Bijendra. Nandlal Mandal was appointed as secretary and Muhammad Safi as treasurer. The same SACT teacher Saubhik Sadhu has been made assistant secretary. With the inspiration of Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and under the able leadership of Dr. Beru Rajak and Dr. Vijendra, 20 new teachers joined WCUPA. Beru Rajak requested all the teachers to strengthen the WBCUPA organization and also told about the gifts given by Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to the teachers. Asansol in West Bengal. Since Mamata Banerjee became the Chief Minister for the third time, a lot of emphasis is being given in the field of education. Especially the West Bengal government is very serious about higher education. Infrastructure is being improved in college and universities in different areas of the state. In this sequence, a meeting of government body members was organized in BC College, Asansol. The head teacher of the college and members of the college's government body were present during this meeting, led by Mulai Ghatak. Ministers of Law and Public Works Department, Government of West Bengal. During this, the members, the Trinamool Chhatra Parishad of the college and the members of the NCC gave him a warm welcome. During this meeting, many issues regarding the development of the college were discussed. On behalf of the college, many proposals were made from the ministers Mulai Ghatak regarding the basic development of the college. The Mulai Ghatak listened carefully to all the proposals and assured that the TMC government under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee would not spare anything for the development of higher education in the state. On the initiative of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, in the field of education for the bright future of the students' credit cards were officially distributed to the students in Raghunathpur Subdivisional Rulers Meeting Room of Purulia District on Saturday. District Magistrate Rahul Mazumdar, Raghunathpur Subdivision Ruler, Trinamool District General Secretary Hazari Bavri handed over credit cards to 22 students in Raghunathpur Subdivision Meeting Room. District Magistrate Rahul Mazumdar, Raghunathpur Divisional Ruler Priyadarshini Bhattacharya, students and their parents were present this occasion. According to the information, the Higher Education Department has started the process of handing over student credit card to the students. Under the student credit cards are being issued through the offices of the various district authorities. In these students' credit cards were also issued in 4 blocks of Purulia district on Saturday. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has started this project after coming to power for the third time in the election manifesto. A student credit card is introduced to take them forward in the field of education in the interest of the future of the students of West Bengal, which can be repaid at low interest but over a longer period. A student can get a maximum loan of 10 lakh District Magistrate Rahul Mazumdar said that today a total of 46 students in Purulia district were handed over students' credit cards. The credit cards were issued in Purulia District Magistrates Meeting Room, Mazumdar, Man Bazar Block Meeting Hall, Jalda Divisional Hall and Raghunathpur Divisional Hall. The district officials said that around 100 students had applied for credit cards, but after their investigation, the bank officials were successful in handing over the students' credit card to 46 people today. The project will be handed over to all gradually.
আমি চেলিয়ামা নামে একটা গ্রামে সেখানে গ্রামের স্কুলে পড়াশোনা করেছি।
বর্তমানে কোন কলেজ?
বর্তমানে আমি রামকানালি বিকেএম কলেজ অফ এডুকেশন থেকে বিএড করছি।
এই টাকাটা লোনটা কিসের জন্য?
বিএড কোর্সের জন্য।
কত অ্যামাউন্ট লাগবে?
90,000 টাকা।
স্টুডেন্ট কার্ড পেল, কি ছেলের কিসের জন্য নিল?
বিটেক করছে বোলপুর কলেজ।
বোলপুর কলেজ থেকে বিটেক করছে। আচ্ছা, কত টাকা ওখানে লাগবে লোন? 2,90,000 টাকা। আচ্ছা, কোন সাবজেক্ট দিয়ে করছে? বিটেক
কম্পিউটার সায়েন্স অ্যান্ড ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং।
আচ্ছা, আপনার নাম?
আমার নাম অশোক কুমার চ্যাটার্জি।
আচ্ছা, আপনি কি করেন?
আমি
কষ্ট করে বিটেক পড়ছে দুর্গাপুরে একটা ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং কলেজে। সে আমাকে যেটা বলছিল যে কোনোভাবে যদি তার লোনটা স্যাংশন হয়, কারণ সে অন্য একটা ব্যাংক থেকে অলরেডি লোন নিয়েছিল অনেক রেট অফ ইন্টারেস্ট বেশি দিয়ে। সেখানে এই যে 4% রেটের ইন্টারেস্টে যে এখানে সে লোনটা পাবে সে জানতো না। সে ইমিডিয়েট তার সব কিছু মানে সঞ্চয় দিয়ে ওই লোনটাকে স্কোয়ার আপ করে এখানে জয়েন করতে চাইছিল, এবং আমি বলার সাথে সাথে সেখানে ব্যাংকও খুব সঙ্গে সঙ্গে সেটাকে টেক আপ করে। আমি এটাই শুধু বলার যে এই প্রজেক্টটা এটা কিন্তু আজকে যেটা হচ্ছে এটা একটা মানে জার্মিনেশন বা অঙ্কুরোদ্গম। এটা আমরা মনে করি যে আগামী দিনে এটা আরো বেশি বেশি করে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের আমরা কাছে পৌঁছে যেতে পারবো। তাদের উচ্চশিক্ষার ক্ষেত্রে মেধা ছাড়া আর যাতে কোনো কিছু অন্তরায় না থাকে এটা আমরা এনশিওর করতে পারবো। এটাই পশ্চিমবঙ্গ সরকারের একদম একটা স্বপ্নের প্রজেক্ট, এবং প্রত্যেকের জন্য শিক্ষার ক্ষেত্রে যে প্রতিবন্ধকতাগুলো আছে সেগুলোকে সরিয়ে রাখা। যে মেধার তো কোনো জায়গা থাকে না, উচ্চ নিচ ভেদ থাকে না, এবং কোনো মানে সেখানে শ্রেণীবিন্যাস কিছু নেই। এর বাইরে যে অন্যান্য জিনিস অর্থ বা অন্যান্য কিছু সেগুলো যাতে মেধার ক্ষেত্রে।
And now I am presenting our SMS of the moment. Where there is shouting, there is no true knowledge. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the further notification.